Hey guys, so today we're gonna learn how to set up an automatic review at the end of every job so that our clients can, leave a review for our business, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Joby and we're gonna click on Joby Alerts, okay? Now the alert that we're gonna create, it's called completed ticket. It's gonna be on the user change section over here, completed ticket, and we're gonna create a new one, okay? So I'm gonna click on it. You can give it a name. I'm going to give it a name such as job review, just as an example. You can name it however you want. Okay, and I want this to apply to every job source or sub company that I have. If there is a sub company or a job source that you do not want this message to go towards, okay, all we have to do is unselect that one. Maybe you have like clients from Yelp, Google, and Angie's List, but you only want your clients from Google to leave a review. So in this case, you only leave Google selected, okay? In this case, I want everybody. This is just for a test. Okay, now over here is when you want that notification to go through. So how long after the ticket has been set as completed or as done, how long after you want that message to be received by your client. In this case, just for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna put exactly 1 minute after the job has been completed, okay? You guys can set it up as 30 minutes, 2 hours, 5 hours, or the day after at 8 a.m. It really just depends on how you want it set up. Now, who do you want to receive this notification? In this case, this is a notification that is going to be received by your client. So you want this to be received only by your client. So I don't want my technicians to receive it or any specific users or any extra phone numbers to receive it. I only want my client to receive it, okay? So where it says client job, does client receive? Yes. So make sure to enable that. Now over here, I want them to receive it by SMS, okay? And over here, you're gonna select what you want that SMS to say, right? So I'm gonna remove this because that's not what I wanted to say. And this is like a sort of text that I, wrote down with where it's very simple. It's just say, we appreciate doing business with you. Please let us know in the following link how we can continue to improve our service. And I'm leaving a link to like a Google review, Google review link. But you can have your own link. Maybe it's directed to your website or to Yelp or to Google. It really just depends. And you can paste it here. And at the end, I just put, thank you, have a great day, okay? Remember, you can edit this and set this up however you want it to be set up. When I'm ready, I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. Okay, so now this specific alert, it's already activated. Even if I go back to my Joby alerts, I'm going to see it here at the bottom. It says job review. If I'm ever want to edit this, I can come here. Okay, and I can edit the text, or I can disable this notification temporarily, or if you just want to delete it, you can go ahead and do it. Just remember that whenever you make any changes, just click on save, okay? Just don't forget to do that. Then let's go ahead and test it. I'm going to create a new job, and I'm going to put myself with my phone number as a client, okay? So I'm the one receiving it. So I'm just going to put in like random name. And I'm going to put in my phone number. Okay, there you go. And I'm just going to put a random address as well. Okay, I'm just basically just creating a fake job. Okay, there we go. Hello, this is a test. There we go. And I'm just going to put like random finances so I can close the job with no issue. Okay, and I'm just going to put it in progress so I can like complete it. I'm just doing it quickly for purposes of the video, okay? I'm just going to click complete it.
Okay, that's property.
Okay, so now my job is completed. In 1 minute, my client, aka myself, because this is my number, is going to be receiving the message for review. So I'm going to pause the recording for a few seconds, and I'll see you when I get the message in 1 minute. Okay, so a minute has passed by, And now basically what I did is I just refreshed the page, and now I can see this message. So any messages related to this particular job are going to be over here. I'm in the job section and under messages. So this is related to the job, is the alert that we just set up. It says we appreciate doing business with you. Please let us know in the following link, etc., etc. Remember, this was just for a quick test, so I just put in, whichever link that I could find quickly. But your link can be shorter. It really just depends on where you want to redirect your customers to. Okay, so it can be any sort of link that you need. Maybe it's to a Yelp review or to a Google review. It's up to you, the link that you want to set up. If you don't have any of those links, you can even set up a Google Forms, and that way your customers can leave a review on there as well. And I believe if you set up the Google form, you can have all of those replies to go into a Google Doc. Okay, so later on you can take a look at that. But yeah, so this is how you set up a review to go directly to your customers after the job has been completed. Remember, if you ever want to edit that particular alert, just go to your Joby and go to Joby Alerts, and here's where you'll be able to, number one, see all of the different alerts that you have set up, and number two, to go ahead and edit them or delete them or disable them for like a few days, etc., depending on your needs. And that's it. Let us know if you have any more questions. Remember that you can always come into your Uleadz account, and over here you can ask for questions. You can take a look at the different articles that we have. And yeah, thank you for being a client with Uleadz. Have a great rest of your day.